Welcome to day 5 of mastering the IELTS speaking test. Today we're talking about the flavor of your English. Many students believe that to get a high score, they need to swallow a dictionary and use the most complicated words possible. This is a recipe for disaster. In the speaking exam, lexical resource is about precision and natural variety. Most students stay at a band 5 or 6 because they rely on safe, but common words like good, bad, happy, thing, or nice. For example, the examiner will say, "How was your last vacation?" And then the student will answer, "It was good, the food was nice, and the weather was good." Actually, the examiner isn't really impressed with that answer because you haven't shown any flavor. Think of your vocabulary as a chef's spice rack. You don't just use salt for every dish. You use cumin for heat, honey for sweetness, and lime for zest. In speaking, you want to use words that fit the dish perfectly. If you're talking about a city, don't just say it's big. Say it's a sprawling metropolis or densely populated. To boost your vocabulary score, focus on collocations and topic-specific chunks. So 1. Master collocations. These are words that naturally live together. Instead of big rain, say heavy rain. Instead of make mistake, say commit an error or mess up. Number 2, use idiomatic language. Don't use old cliches like it's raining cats and dogs, something like that. Use natural and modern idioms. For example, I'm on the fence about that, which means undecided. It's not really my cup of tea. I don't like it. It costs an arm and a leg, which means very expensive. 3. Paraphrase on the fly. If you forget a word, do not stop. Describe it. Forget the word enthusiastic. Say, he was someone who had a lot of energy and passion for the project. Here are some examples of the flavor upgrade. Look at this topic. Band 5 common sentence is, I have a lot of work. Meanwhile, for Band 7 plus users, they will say, I have a heavy workload. Another topic, Band 5 sentence could be, there are many people. Meanwhile, Band 7 plus could be, it's a bustling, vibrant city. Another topic is hobby. A Band 5 response would be, I'd like to play guitar. Meanwhile, for Band 7 plus, they would say, I'm passionate about playing guitar. Another topic is problem. Band 5 could say, it's a big problem. Meanwhile, for Band 7 plus, it could be, it's a pressing issue that needs addressing. So here are the pro tips for vocabulary. First, topic power words. For every common topic like work, study, travel, technology, please memorize 5 high-level collocations. 2. Avoid I think and spice it up with as far as I'm concerned, from my perspective, or I reckoned, or I believe. Now it's your turn. Can you upgrade the flavor? Look at the common sentence here. And rewrite it in the comments. And if you're tired of guessing and want to see your actual predicted score, go to test.hiatlaz.com. Our prediction test is a total game changer for your study plan. We also give analysis of your speech so you can improve your speaking to the tiniest detail. And day 5 is done. Your vocabulary is officially getting an upgrade. Hit that follow button for day 6, where we master grammatical range and accuracy. And don't forget to hit the like button if this helped you level up. See you!